Good morning, respected Chairman of the session, Co-Chairman Sir, Dr. Ajay Singh Sir, Organizing Secretary of this international conference. Myself, Dr. Biplab Sarkar, I am working as a Senior Scientist Nanobiotech. I am having a background of especially fishery up to PhD, then I have converted into nanotech. Now I am working in nanobiotechnology in an institute called Indian Institute of Agriculture Biotech in Ranchi, Namkur. Next. So my topic of interest is nanotechnology application for water remediation, and in this case already we know that two products which is already marshalling in the market. One is Tata Such, that is also got the DST award, best award for simple rural drinking water. At the same time, Hindustan Lever is also nowadays advertising on hand sanitizer with nano silver. So my purpose is to give some other products, especially on the product orientation, and taking zinc as a zinc nanomaterial as a candidate species. So nanotechnology, already we know that everything which is converted into 1 to 100 nanometer and giving some new, exploiting the new property in this scale. Next. So we cannot avoid the father of the concept of Feynman, who actually in 1959 gave the nanotechnology concept in the world, and which is revolutionizes the total world. Next. So nanoparticle is nothing new. It is already having availability in the nature, whether it is geckos crawling in the wall or whether it is a butterfly dazzling or lotus effect, all are nanotechnology available in the nature. Next. So this is nanotechnology is having three parts. One is nanoparticles, materials, one is nano tools, one is devices. Still nanoparticle making is in the up to 2013 it was on the top level. Slowly the nano tools and devices will be coming up. Not yet the market is that kind wide. Next. So come to the water pollution level. Our still the big water bodies are not still polluted. We have completed Ganga Action Plan 1, 2, now Swachh Bharat, again new Ganga Ministry has come up. So but still the how to go for a non-specific wide scale pollution remediation, that is still a miracle. So please next. So already this is the molecules or materials which is actually attracting the water pollution. What is active charcoal, whether it is a active carbons, what is the resins. This is three materials, and in bioremediation there is some phyto and microbial remediation methods, some genetic engineering methods also marshalling some years ago. But the problem is all in these technologies that one is cost, one is very specific use, and especially in biological applications not widely applicable in the field level. So we need some molecule which can go for wide level applications in the field. Next. So zinc as a molecule, you know that it is a very physiologically acceptable molecule. Like silver, it is not extraneous or xenobiotic. It is having a physiologically important molecules having 300 participation in any body as a cofactor. It is already having high bioefficacy, bioavailability, and can other than normal waterification, it can be applied as a micronutrient in agriculture, fishery, as a feed additives, as a fertilizer also. So it is a win-win situation if you make the like nanoscale zinc as a candidate for water remediation as well as the feed or feed additives. And moreover, it is a photocatalyst. It can trap. So next, it is having the power to trap the sunlight and to convert to wide range of molecules, wide range of pollutants into non-pollutant forms. So there is many sources of zinc oxide nanoparticle. You can produce it through physical methods, chemical methods, as well as biological methods, through different like co-precipitation methods, and there is like hydrothermal methods. Through that you can produce it. Next, very simple methods also. This slide you can see that it is alternatively it can degrade chemical contaminants as well as biological contaminants. It can degrade phenol, pharmaceutical, it can degrade organic dyes, cyanide, petroleum, hydrocarbons, as well as it can degrade the fungi, bacteria, virus, algae, and parasites. And with that also, it is one of the molecule having the feed additives. So it is a win-win situation. Next. So this is this is all from my publication actually, all the like models and photographs. It has been only come up just 4 months back in a highly reputed journal. So you can see that it is having the water photocatalytic effect. So if you give it the water, you can it can trap or grab the sunlight, and through the application of sunlight, it can degrade wide range of pollutant. Next. So this is a concept, through that we can give the zinc, okay, and you can degrade it. Next. So in our case,
your time is over.
It is 5 minutes, sir. The 2 minutes I'll get.
Question session we have.
Okay, let me complete within 2 minutes. So zinc oxide nanoparticle has been synthesized in our case in giving some NaOH or KOH materials. Next, we have gone for some FTIR and XRD study, and through that we have also synthesized it biologically through applied of pistia from water. Next, we have checked it in malachite greens, and malachite greens through we have kept in the sunlight, and it has degraded within very short period of time, 1 to 2 hours. Next, we have also given methylene blue, and it has seen the degradation within very faster time with the application of zinc. So this is the publication through which we have shown the degradation of all this pattern in environmental science and pollution research. And future, like we are going for some challenge trials in some big containers, that what is the amount and what is the applicability dose and all these things, which will be coming up very soon. And we are very sure that zinc will be coming up as a master molecule for water degradation candidate materials. Any question, please? Sir.
No question.
UV light. But if you dope with some other molecules like manganese, ferrous, or other molecules, the efficiency of its UV visible range can be triggered to the normal range also. So nowadays, doping of different type of metal molecules with zinc oxide nanoparticle is conversant, which is giving you UV range as well as visible range. Through that, you can degrade microbial pollutant as well as chemical pollutant. This is a new concept.
Okay, thank you.
How to reduce the heavy metals by nanotechnology?
No, time is over.
Okay, we'll discuss.